I'm Sarah with Custom Pilates and Yoga, and today I'm going to show you a trick how to get at your psoas and QL muscles with your orb. Now, I've got my just regular plain old orb today. You can use your Orb Extreme or your Orb Extreme Mini. They're all going to work, but you're going to want to grab the orb of your choice and find a good wall. And now for the muscles we're going after, we're going to want to roll the space between your bottom rib and the top of your hip from the area right near your spine out to the very outside of your waist. Okay, sometimes when we roll, we do a real good job working right by the spine and getting those muscles relaxed, which are normally like your erector spinae muscles. But sometimes those muscles that come further out, that are more the back part of your waist, don't really get the attention they need. So we're going to take care of them right now. So grab your orb and go ahead, get it placed in that space. And if you don't have just a whole lot of waist and you're using a regular orb or an Orb Extreme, that whole ball might take up your space. And that's what happens for me. To get positioned, I start off nice and tall. My feet are stepped a little bit away from the wall, and I'm gonna place the orb pretty much like right on the top of the back of my pelvis. And then I step my other leg forward. I'm gonna put a little bit of bend in my knees. And so as I bend my knees, I kind of slide down, and that helps me get the orb positioned where I want it to be. So as you might remember with orb usage, you can really do whatever you want. If I wanted to be right here and just bend and straighten my knees and go up and down and kind of gently twist in it to get all those muscles, I sure can. Or if I wanted to just go side to side, I could find a good height and just rotate my body. If I wanted to do circles, I could make little circles. Whatever. If I want to find a good spot and then just kind of lean into it and rotate into it, I can do that too. But the important thing is, as you move, you look around for different tight spots and you work on releasing them. Now, we're not aiming for the bullseye, right? So if there's something that you come across that just like bing, shoots pain through your body, don't hang out on that. Instead, you want to work the area around it. Because lots of times when we have a tight spot like that, if we find it, if we hone in on it and push on it, it'll just tense up more and it'll just fight us. So what you want to do is you want to work the area around that spot that isn't quite as angry at you. Get that to relax, and lots of times getting that area to relax will help you to get your tight spot to relax so that you can get that tension relieved. Okay, so you can hang out here rolling however long you'd like, honestly. But we're gonna switch sides because you always want to do both sides. So I get set up with that ball on the top of the back of my hip. I'm gonna bend my knees, and now I can twist. This will give you the opportunity to a little bit see what this looks like from the back side. And I'll try to keep my arms out of the way here. But you want to get after any tight muscles. Like I talked about, you can do the up and down and just sort of shift your body out to the side as you go. You can get it in one line and just rotate yourself to get that opened up. You can do circles. Circles require a little bit of coordination, but that doesn't mean they can't be done. But just go ahead, find some good spots and roll. And when you're done, you can release your ball. Now you can roll like this every day if you have a very tight low back, or if you have a job that requires lots of low back activity. You can even do this a couple times a day. Okay, so it's up to you. Pay attention to your body and make good choices. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for more information on how to use your orb, visit my website, www.custompilatesandyoga.com. Thank you.